This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources, and we'll be looking at a CXC topic, simultaneous equations, using the elimination method. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, or leave a comment. Here we have question 2B from the 2016 May-June paper. It is a simultaneous question and it's worth 5 marks. 2x plus y equals 3. 5x minus 2y equals to 12. Now we're going to be using the elimination method, and we have some rules to remember. If you have the same signs, and we're referring to these two signs here, if they're the same, SSS, same signs, you subtract. DSA means different signs you add. So in this question, the signs are different. So we have to add. But first, let's recognize something. The first equation, equation 1, the y has a coefficient of 1, as you can see it there in red. Okay? And the coefficient of the second y term is -2. But let's take it as 2. So we have identified as equation 1 and equation 2. Now the rule is we have to eliminate a term. So it's either the x term or the y term. Now because the signs are different, remember we have to add. So we're going to eliminate the y term. The y terms, okay? So we're going to multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1. So remember equation 1 was 1 as the coefficient and 2. So we do it by the opposite. So 2, 1. It is 1, 2. We multiply by 2, 1, the opposite. And we multiply. So we're multiplying every term in equation 1 by 2. So that's going to give us 2 2's are 4, 2 1's are 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now when you multiply by 1, you're going to get back the same values, right? So 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 12 is 12. So here we go. We're going to eliminate. So here, we're going to get 0. Remember, we're adding, okay? And 5 plus 4 is 9. So we're going to get 9x is equals to 12 plus 6, that is 18. So what we do is we divide both sides by 9, the coefficient of our x term. So 9x divided by 9, 18 divided by 9. 9 into 9 is 1, and 9 is 1. So that's an x. 9 into 9 is 1, 9 into 18 is 2. So our x value is 2. Now we're going to substitute x equals to 2 in equation 1. So we're going to get 2. Wherever we have x, we're going to replace it with 2. Let's put it in a different color. Plus y equals 3. So 4 plus y equals 3. So y equals to 3 minus 4. Remember, when we move it from one side of the equation over to the other side, we have to change the signs. It's positive here on the left. We carry it over, it's going to become a minus 4. So then we're going to get -1. Therefore, x is 2 and y is -1. And that's the final answer. Now this is another question, the 2015 2D. It reads, 4 mangoes and 2 pears cost $24, while 2 mangoes and 3 pears cost $16. Write a pair of simultaneous equations in x and y to represent the information given above. Now let's underline some important words, okay? So 4 mangoes, 2 pears cost $24. 2 mangoes, 3 pears cost $16. And you're writing a pair of simultaneous equations in terms of x and y. So let x represent mangoes and y represent pears. So here we go. So we're going to write 4x plus 2y equals $24, right? And then we said 2 mangoes, so mangoes x, right? So that'll be 2x plus 3 pears, 3y equals $16 for 2 marks. State clearly what x and y represents. X represents the cost of 1 mango, and the y will represent the cost of 1 pear. From Tatiana Math Resource, we were looking at simultaneous equations using the elimination method. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, or leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.